tired of overcomplicated cocktails? Stick around because today we're diving into 5 ridiculously easy vodka drinks you can make at home. Quick, simple, and delicious. And we're throwing in a bit of history to impress your friends. Let's get started. First up, the ultimate no-fuss cocktail, the Vodka Soda. Born in the 20th century, this drink became a go-to for those looking for a light, refreshing option. Ingredients: 50 milliliters of vodka, soda water, ice, and a lime wedge. Steps: fill a glass with ice, pour in 50 milliliters of vodka, top it up with soda water, and give it a quick stir. Finish with a lime wedge for that zesty touch. Easy, right? Next, the Moscow Mule. A classic from the 1940s, born from a clever marketing collaboration. Served in its signature copper mug, it's a crowd pleaser. Ingredients: 50 milliliters of vodka, 120 milliliters of ginger beer, 15 milliliters of fresh lime juice, and ice. Steps: in a copper mug or glass, add ice, pour in 50 milliliters of vodka, and 15 milliliters of fresh lime juice. Top with 120 milliliters of ginger beer, and give it a gentle stir. Garnish with a lime wedge, and you're ready to go. Our third drink is as simple as it gets: the screwdriver. This 1940s classic was famously stirred by oil workers using actual screwdrivers. Let's mix one up. Ingredients: 50 milliliters of vodka, 100 milliliters of orange juice, and ice. Steps: in a glass filled with ice, combine 50 milliliters of vodka with 100 milliliters of orange juice. Stir it up and garnish with an orange slice if you're feeling fancy. Coming in at number 4 is the indulgent White Russian. A creamy twist on the Black Russian, this drink gained fame from the Big Lebowski. Let's make it. Ingredients: 50 milliliters of vodka, 25 milliliters of coffee liqueur, 25 milliliters of heavy cream, and ice. Steps: in a glass with ice, add 50 milliliters of vodka and 25 milliliters of coffee liqueur. Gently float 25 milliliters of heavy cream on top and stir lightly to create a velvety texture. Last but not least, the Cosmopolitan, the iconic pink drink of the 1990s, made famous by Sex and the City. Let's bring some glam to your bar. Ingredients: 45 milliliters of vodka, 30 milliliters of cranberry juice, 15 milliliters of triple sec, 15 milliliters of fresh lime juice, and ice. Steps: in a shaker filled with ice, combine 45 milliliters of vodka, 30 milliliters of cranberry juice, 15 milliliters of triple sec, and 15 milliliters of lime juice. Shake well and strain into a chilled martini glass. Garnish with a lime twist and you're all set. And there you have it, 5 easy vodka drinks that anyone can make at home. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips, recipes, and fun facts about drinks. Cheers!